In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Trello custom fields, whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Trello. Customizing your fields allows you to tailor your boards more precisely to your needs, offering greater control over your project management. So, let's dive in and get started on how you can change those custom fields hassle-free. To begin, navigate to the board that contains the custom fields you want to modify. At the top right corner of the board, you'll notice a three dots icon. This is your More Options menu. Clicking on those three dots will open a variety of options for you. From this drop-down menu, you're going to want to select Custom Fields. Clicking this option will present you with a list of all the custom fields that you've created on this board. It's essentially your control center for all the personalized data entries you've made. Now, to edit a custom field, all you need to do is click on the specific field you want to change. When you click on the custom field, it will open up and show you all the details related to that field. Here's where you might encounter a limitation, and it's good to be aware of this up front. If the custom field is currently being used in one of your cards, you won't have the ability to edit its type. This means that once a field type is set and utilized, Trello locks it in to prevent data inconsistencies or loss, which is important for maintaining the integrity of your existing information. However, don't worry. You still have some flexibility even with these restrictions. You do have the ability to edit the title or the name of the custom field. So, if you want to clarify what the field is for, or maybe correct a typo, you can easily do so by changing the title to better reflect its purpose or content. Remember, clarifying these titles can be especially helpful in large projects with many fields, ensuring everyone on the team understands what each field is intended for, and that's all there is to it. Although the ability to edit the field type is limited, being able to adjust the title enables you to maintain a level of adaptability without compromising the structure of your project data. Keeping your fields organized and properly labeled is essential for smooth workflow operations. I hope this guide helps you streamline your Trello experience just a bit more. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks. Happy organizing!